Good morning, students. Hope you all have studied the yesterday topic and watched the video attentively. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is about history of organic farming and present status of organic farming in India. So first of all, before starting our topic, I want to share the most famous quote about organic farming with you, that is, organic farming feed the soil, not the plant. What does it mean? It means that organic farming has direct impact on the soil. It increases the nutritive value of the soil, and ultimately the nutritive soil increase the crop yield and plant development. So now we are going to start about history of organic farming. History. As we all know that organic farming is very ancient in India, as agricultural practice has started 10,000 years ago in India. In India, the script of Ramayana and Mahabharata also had the references about organic farming, and it is mentioned in those script about the various kind of manure such as cow manure. Now in Kautilya Arthashastra also mentioned about various organic manure such as oil cake and animal excreta. Atharvaveda also suggested about the green manure in it. So in traditional India, the entire industry of agriculture was practiced using organic techniques, and in that time there were no such kind of chemical farming system available. But as the population rise up, the India led to face severe food scarcity, and to overcome this problem, the farming process of India, it has shifted to chemical farming during 1950s and 1960s. And a very important government program, that is Green Revolution, has started during this time under the supervision of M.S. Swaminathan. So during the chemical farming time, all the organic pesticides generally converted into chemical pesticides, and all the organic fertilizers, they are replaced by chemical fertilizers. But as time went, the main chemical fertilizer industry is also established in that time, that is Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizer. It was also established during the time period when the chemical farming is at its peak time. Now when we are facing the excessive dependence on the as time went by, the excessive dependence on the chemical fertilizer or on the chemical pesticides, it caused losing soil fertility, and the pest became immune to the pesticides, and pesticides also had started cause harm to the environment. Now the farmer as well as the consumer, they realized that the organic farming is much better option than the chemical farming. So now the farmers gradually shifted back to the organic farming. So here we have seen that what was the history of the organic farming, that its starting time in India, the farming starting with the organic system, then it shifted to the chemical farming system, and nowadays again because of the various deleterious effect of chemical farming, the chemical farming system is again shifted to the organic farming, and most of the farmers, they adopted this method of organic farming to increase their crop yield. Now we will discuss about the present status of organic farming in India. In India, because India has lots of potential of organic farming because of its various agroclimatic reasons, and according to the World of Organic Agricultural Report of 2018, India produces 30% of total organic products of the world, and it has 8,35,000 certified producers. So here certified producers means producers to which government has given certification for the production of organic products. So among these 30% of total organic products, tea, rice, only tea and rice, it contributed 24%. Each of tea and rice contributed 24% of total organic products. Fruits and vegetables contributed 17%. Wheat contributed 10%. And cotton contributed 8%. Pulses contributed 3%. Spices contributed 5%. And cashew 3% and others 2%. And India has exported the organically produced product around 4.58 lakhs metric ton according to the news of in 2017 and 18, and according to the journal established in journal published in 2017-18, the total earning of India because of these organically products is around 3,500 crore. So among all the states of India, the largest area under organic certification is MP, Madhya Pradesh, which is followed by Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. So this is the current status of organic farming in India. Organic farming, it has lots of contribution in national economy. So here today we have discussed about the history of organic farming and present status of organic farming in India, and hope you have well understood about this topic. Thank you very much.